Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share to you a very easy recipe and you only need 6 ingredients. We will make butter cookies. Let's get baking. We will only need 6 ingredients. 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Check out also the description below for the complete list of ingredients. To start, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. In a medium bowl, add the butter, add the powdered sugar, and cream them together. I'm gonna change it to using spatula. Add the egg, and the vanilla extract, and mix them together. Mix them together until they are well combined. Now, sift together the flour and the salt. Mix them together until the flour mixture is well incorporated into the butter mixture. Now, fill the mixture into the icing bag, and I'm using Wilton 1M tip, or you can also use star tip for other tip. Pipe a rosette in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake this in the oven for about 12 minutes or until the sides of the cookies are lightly brown. And here's our finished product! These cookies are really good. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. These cookies are absolutely delicious and very easy to make. Big shout out to my sister Mimi. Congratulations for graduating Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!